We are present day and night as your diagnostic partner. This is why we built a 24/7 customer diagnostic center with over 100 diagnostic experts ready to assist you. It is built for you. No matter which BEUMER solution you operate, our data and monitoring engineers are ready to analyze any suspicions and provide you with cutting-edge diagnostics. We detect inconsistencies early, proactively analyze the situation, and provide you with expert diagnostic advice. Our analysis is based on diagnostic domain experts, an extensive knowledge base, and advanced diagnostic models that process billions of data points in real time 24/7. Our diagnostic advice enables predictive maintenance, prevent unplanned downtime, and enhance your performance. Our hotline experts are ready to assist in critical situations, ensuring efficient resolutions. We also offer preventive and improvement opportunities, such as cybersecurity and supervision programs. We believe in providing customized transparency through our BG Insight platform, offering detailed insights into system health and operational performance. Optimize with diagnostic programs. Customer support, your lifetime partner.